All right, we're getting that push down to the 5600s. We've just tapped in at 5602, which is the level of yesterday's value area low. Gonna see if we can get a steeper push into the 5600s. How do sellers become aggressive down here? But it's too early for me to do anything. Getting a bounce there, a little rejection on 5602. Stand up. Solid rejection off 5602, 5100. See if we can come back down for that retest. Pushing back into 5600 again. And sellers trying to become aggressive here, but there's nothing for me just yet. No big red flags yet. I want to see buyers defend this price. We got some buyers coming in here as well. We had a big seller come in there. I'm gonna try this long here. So I ended up going long here after this big seller came into the markets and price started to immediately reject this area. This is not really action I'd want to see from sellers. Once I would see big selling step in, I'd expect an immediate breakout to the downside. So now really the objective is for buyers to defend price above where this big seller came in here. See if we can see some passive selling going on. Starting to see a lot of volatility coming in. So more big selling just stepped in, or sellers just tried getting aggressive here at the low of day. We're starting to reject here again at this 59.70. Even right here wouldn't have been a bad entry at a rejection of this area again. I'm gonna be looking for price to go back up again to those previous key levels that we spoke about. So the first target right now would be 56.20 on these longs. All right, I took the scalp there on futures. I'm done on futures. We're starting to push up really nice now here. With this amount of volume, I'm going to move my stops to at least break even. Really nice push off these. I mean, it just couldn't have been more perfectly set up than that. Wow, strong volume coming in. Good volume coming in here. The bounce was just so perfect. I couldn't have gotten a better entry, a better execution. All right, here we're back already at the 56.20s here. I'm going to, man, the buying is still really strong. There's no real reason for me to close. We've pushed up. We're at the 56.20s now again. I want to see if we'll accept these higher prices. Buyers are still trying to become really aggressive here. Starting to see a little rejection there. I'm going to secure it here. Wow. That was, I mean, it was grade A setup. Grade A setup. It couldn't have gone any better than that. It was just from literally point A to point B. It was really just super clean here. Wow. I mean, from the pre-market all the way to now, it really couldn't have gotten better than that. Guys, it was just textbook grade A. Maybe got a little bit greedy up there near the highs, but that's okay. Always try and let your winners run for as long as you possibly can. Again, once I saw this big selling step in and price immediately started to reject these lower prices after this big seller got in, like that's a huge red flag. That's a good sign of absorption for me. We traded at the right key level that we were looking to take the trade from, which is going to be 5,600 and 5602. Now we're bouncing off that area. I'm still thinking we could see higher prices on the day, so we'll see. But wow, I mean, it was just absolutely textbook. It was literally a 9-minute trading day. I'm practically done for the rest of my day.